Namaste. Welcome to Divya Veda Yoga. My name is Vedracha. This video will give you a bird's eye view about what is yoga. Yoga is the science of right living and should be viewed upon as a lifestyle. It works on all the aspects of a person: physical, mental, emotional, psychic, and spiritual. The word yoga, ideally pronounced as yoga, is derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to connect or join. So, what is this connection about and between whom? This connection is of the soul, Atman, who is the controller of self in energy form, to the Supreme Soul, Paramatman, who is the controller of the universe in energy form. This is the ultimate aim of yoga and is called Kaivalya. However, there are other levels of connection too, which could be achieved by incorporating yoga as a lifestyle. These other levels of connection are connecting our mind and body, that is, achieving mind-body balance and harmony. This balance helps us perform our duties perfectly as our mind and body are synchronized. Another level of connection is the feeling of connection between people, that is, universal brotherhood, which is the feeling of compassion and care towards other beings. Connection between our mind and soul, that is self-realization, understanding our responsibilities, needs, nature, and acting accordingly by creating and maintaining balance and harmony within us and around us. So, yoga is compassion, perfection, awareness, discipline, and a yogi is in the state of constant bliss. The thoughts, actions, and emotions of a yogi are synchronized. There are various paths of yoga to achieve this state of bliss, all with the same aim but different methodology. The Ashtanga Yoga path constitutes guidelines for personal and social discipline, asana or posture practice, and breathing techniques to prepare oneself for higher meditative practices, concentration, and meditation. The Hatha Yoga path constitutes asana practice, breathing techniques, body cleansing techniques, and energy locks. The Bhakti Yoga path is the path of total surrender and the feeling of sincere devotion towards the Supreme Energy. Jnana Yoga is the path driven by intellect. Karma Yoga is the path driven by selfless service towards mankind and every being on earth, not expecting any reward by practicing non-attachment towards the fruits of action. So, the question here is, how does one know which path to follow? Each individual needs to choose a path which is best suited according to his or her worldly responsibilities, needs, and personality. It could be a balanced combination of the paths mentioned earlier. The physical aspect of a person is a familiar and practical starting point, though not the ultimate motive. The health benefits of asana practice like strength, flexibility, managing body weight, reducing stress are direct and tangible effects of yoga and are important to lead a healthy life. On a practical level, yoga is very effective in achieving holistic health by practicing asana and pranayama. Asana and pranayama bring about a balance in thoughts, actions, and emotions, making the body healthy, calming the mind, and achieving mind body balance.